Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids Moral Story. So today we are going to tell you the story of the donkey and the dog. Dog and a donkey worked for a potter. The dog guarded the master's pottery and house, which stood close to each other in a big compound. The donkey carried heavy loads of the master. The donkey felt very jealous of the dog. He thought, what an easy and comfortable life the dog lives. His only duty is to stroll about in the compound and bark at strangers, and yet the master pats him and lovingly and gives him nice food to eat. And look at poor me. I soak all through the day under heavy loads. And what do I get from the master? Hard loads on my back and rich leftovers of my belly. This is very unfair, very, very unfair. Of course. One day the donkey thought, I must try the dog's tricks to please the master. When the master comes home, he barks a little to welcome him. He runs to him wagging his tail. He raises his front legs and puts them on the master's body. Just then the donkey saw the master entering the house, so he brayed a little to welcome him. Then he ran to him wagging his tail. He raised his front legs to rest them on the master's body. The donkey's unusual behavior frightened the master. He thought the donkey had gone crazy. He had picked up a big stick and rained heavy blows on the donkey. Poor donkey, poor donkey. He tried please master and received the hard blows in return. The moral of the story is never feel jealous of anybody's good position. So friends, write in comments, how do you found our story? Didi, what is the meaning of received? The meaning of received is to get on, accept that is sent or given to you. What is the meaning of heavy blows? The meaning of heavy blows is to punch. So friends, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. And until